Hello everyone. So today I am going to be removing the hard drive from a Dell Precision 7530. So first what we're going to do is we're going to turn it upside down so we can get to the back panel of it. And on the back there are 6 screws that need to be removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a 7th here in the middle that I always do. So first we're going to take our screwdriver. Thankfully, with these Dells, these are the type of screws that stay with it after you unscrew them. So it's just a matter of staying. Once you have them loose, you're going to take the pry bar. You're going to work your way around the edge. And I always start with the edge nearest me. Pop these open. Lift it up and set it out of the way. Now, before I remove the SSD, I'm first going to remove the battery. And the battery has 2 screws located in it, which are up here at the top. So we're going to take these out. And let's move it to the side. And then we are going to unplug the battery right here. Just always really tough to do. And lift it up and set it aside. Okay, the SSD cards this user is using is located up here underneath these thermal barriers. So we're going to remove the screw here at the top, to the side, and then the thermal barrier should pop out. And then you're left with just a screw holding in the SSD itself. Snap it, and then replace it with the new one. Once it's in place, at the top of it will line up with the screw here at the top. Put the screw back in. And back in. You'll see a little lever, not lever, that you'll line up inside the case. Keep it in place. Once that's lined up, the screw holes at the top. I'm also going to upgrade this user's memory card. The memory slots, the primary memory slots are located right here. You're just going to snap the edge on it, and it's going to pop up, and then you unclick it. Get the new one, which you're going to first line up the teeth, snap the teeth in. Once the teeth are snapped in, you'll snap the sides back in. Okay, now that he has a new SSD and he has a new memory card, actually, we're going to put the battery back in. Now, first, put this edge closest to you, and And the top end should just stay down flat and line up perfectly with the screw holes. So we'll take our screws. Plug the battery back in. Make sure it's tight. Alright. I'm going to take the back case. And I always take the back end of it that lines up with the vent holes. I always put those on first. And then gently wedge them in place. Sometimes you have to snap it. There you go. Put this in place. I start putting the screws back in. I always go in a zigzag pattern, starting from one corner to the other, left and right. So those two are in. So now and then I'll do the one that's it. Put everything back in place. I will go and turn it on. First of all, just to make sure it comes on. And then to make sure there's no hardware issues since I am putting new memory in it and a new SSD in it. And there's not. So now I am good to go. I'll just power it back off. Thank you guys, and let me know in the comments if there's anything you'd like me to make a video of.